The Sony Xperia I V is a flagship smartphone from Sony that was announced on May 11, 2023. It has a 6.5-inch OLED display with a 4K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. It has a triple rear camera setup with a new 52MP primary sensor that can perform well in low light. It also has a 12MP telephoto camera with a 3.5x 5.2x continuous optical zoom and a 12MP ultrawide camera with autofocus. The front camera is also 12MP and can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The battery capacity is 5,000 mAh and it supports 30W wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. The phone runs on Android 13 with Xperia UI and has an IP65/IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. It comes in 3 colors, platinum silver, black, and khaki green.